Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and welcome to my lettercraft channel. Today I'm going to touch problem which every letter crafter had or still have. I mean how to punch even stitching holes on the backside of your craft. It was my problem number one when I started doing leathercraft. I remember I tried different ways, even tried to attach breaking irons to arbor press when I started, but it didn't work. Later I found these pliers which I still use. Video on this tool you can find here, but today I'm gonna show the technique which I developed exactly for pricking irons, and it works with any shape of pricking irons. And I'm pretty happy with the results of my stitch using this technique. Okay, here I already have craft made to the point where I have to punch holes. First of all, I'm just marking holes with pricking iron to check if last hole matches the first one perfectly and adjust if not. Try to keep pricking iron straight angle to your craft. After that, I'm punching very gently to see where the tips of pricking iron are going to come out on the backside. If it matches the groove, such in my case, or the line you scratched along the edge, then fine. Just punch pricking iron one more time for tips to punch through. As you can see, I don't use much force. The tips pop out just a bit and it's enough for stitching. If you see your pricking iron tips are going to come out not perfectly in the center, you can slightly lean your pricking iron before making final punch. Probably it's not the fastest way to make stitching holes, but it's not about the speed, it's about the quality. With practice, the speed eventually will come. The main point with making holes, don't rush with punching. Make it gently to leave space for adjusting. If you will miss significantly even once, you will be unable to fix it, and the stitch will look ugly. So don't rush with it. Hope it was helpful for you. If so, I would be glad if you could support my channel by purchasing any of my PDF templates or crafts at my webshop strhandmade.com or join channel members for monthly donation. That's it for today. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thanks for your time and see you next time. Bye!